Hello everyone, today we will introduce what is a capacitor and how does it work. A capacitor is a passive two-terminal electrical component that stores potential energy in an electric field. The effect of a capacitor is known as capacitance. While some capacitance exists between any two electrical conductors in proximity in a circuit, a capacitor is a component designed to add capacitance to a circuit. The capacitor was originally known as a condenser. So now we will introduce our capacitor. Normal restoran gibi oğlum, tavuk dünyası gibi yer. Ve de açılışı özel fiyat.
En iyi konuşanlar kimler biliyor musun?